About 3 hours after we landed at Haneda Airport in Tokyo from London, we were very, very jet lagged and we couldn't check into our hotel yet. We wandered around Yodobashi Camera, which is a fantastic place to kill time, and we passed this conveyor belt sushi place on the restaurant floor and we decided to give it a go. Okay, so we've had a few dishes already, but I think I'm going to just order something from the iPad. So I haven't quite decided what to have. You can see lots of different things you can choose. I quite like the nigiri sushi. We haven't had. There's one that I've got my eye on here. That is the snow crab, and apparently it's well selected. So let's go for one. Have it with wasabi, I think. What's the second option? Small rice, normal. And then you just have to wait for it to come out. And there's a little red button there that flashes when it's ready. It can also help yourself to unlimited matcha. So there's a little pot of matcha here, so green tea, then you just shape it into your cup. Whoops, that's a bit much. With fish. And then just get the hot water. And they also have drinks that you can pick off the conveyor belt if you don't really like green tea. So yeah, now we just wait for the snow crab. And it's arrived already. That was super quick. The lady just brought it out.
It was about a minute, wasn't it?
It might have even been less than a minute. I'd been expecting it to come through there.
Yeah. Right.
The other sushi.
Get that down, yeah.
Make sure I don't eat the claw. Yeah, you should have been filmed. You were eating yours. It's difficult. It's really interesting. I've never had raw crab before. I've always had it cooked. I think I do still prefer it cooked. That's really bad, isn't it? But it is really nice. Really nice. It just tastes a bit more like the sea. You can really see the jet lag in this segment, especially on my face.
In fringe.
Thank you for that. So whenever the order's ready, the light will flash and our chicken karage will arrive on the top conveyor.
My chicken. Do you have any?
I had a piece too.
No,
yeah, you let me have a little pity piece.
And this is the very nice fried chicken. So just back to Scott. Really hot. Very good.
So the biggest differences with conveyor belt sushi in Japan compared to with, say, the UK are with the quality, the price and what gets included. With many high street sushi places in the UK, you usually have to pay if you want some extras, like you sometimes have to pay for wasabi, ginger, and sometimes you have to pay to get your unlimited green tea as well. And we went out for conveyor belt sushi once at a well-known UK chain, and it came to about £50 in all. And this, at the time we visited, came to about 12. And the quality was so much better. And we had...
Good feed, wasn't it?
It was, and we had full bellies, and it also worked wonders on the jet lag.
Yeah, you suddenly packed up a bit, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't sort your fringe out though, did it? Sorry.
It's horrible. What a horrid thing to say.
Horrible little man.
Hope you're going to cut that out.
Nope.
No. Don't comment on my fringe. I know it looks horrible and gross. Right.